Hello and welcome, my dear students. I am Prakriti Kapoor, and in this particular lecture, we will be going through the second part of this chapter 1 of class 6. First part we have already done, and if you have not watched that video yet, please go through it once because this is the second part we are covering here. Carrying his satchel, Bashir opened the front door and stepped into the gully and began walking towards the main Chandni Chowk road. In this story, we have seen that this is a boy Bashir who is leaving his home just because his parents, his father, is not ready to give him that pocket money as a loan to him to buy a racing car. That's why he is leaving home. And now carrying his satchel. Satchel means bag. Satchel means bag. So carrying his satchel, Bashir opened the front door. He opened the front door and stepped into the gully. So finally he is leaving his home. So he stepped into the gully and began walking towards the main Chandni Chowk road. So where he lives, the place is Chandni Chowk. So he is there on that Chandni Chowk road. At the corner, Panwala Munilal looked up from being lying on a row of pan leaves and said, "Arey Bashir Ustad, where are you going? Isn't it summer holidays in your school?" As this boy Bashir stepped out of his home, he entered into the gully. He moves forward. There was a panwala. His name was Munnelal. He was sitting there. Munnelal was sitting there, and he was preparing the pan to sell. But as he saw that boy Bashir over there, so he asked him, "Arey Bashir Ustad, where are you going?" He asked him where he was going. He further asked that, "Isn't it summer holidays in your school? There is no summer holiday or in his school?" "Yes," said the Bashir shortly. "I am going somewhere else." Bashir answered that, "I am going somewhere else. Yes, we are having summer holidays in our school, but I am going somewhere else." "Acha, where?" Then this Panwala Munilal asked him, "Where? Then where are you going?" "To the railway station," sighed Bashir, tidily dropping the satchel. Bashir answered that he is going to railway station, and as because his bag was very heavy, and he was not able to carry it, so he dropped it and he was just taking it that way. So I'll tell you the same in Hindi also. तो ये जो बॉय है बशीर, जो मेन कैरेक्टर है, ये घर छोड़कर जा रहा है. क्यों? हमने लास्ट पार्ट में देखा भी था, क्योंकि इसके फादर ने इसको पॉकेट मनी देने से इनकार कर दिया है. ये पॉकेट मनी का लोन चाहता था जिससे कि वो एक रेसिंग कार खरीद सके. अब ये बॉय अपने घर से बाहर निकला और इसने जो है घर से बाहर एक कदम रखा है गली में. जैसे इसने गली में कदम रखा तो चांदनी चौक उस प्लेस का नाम है, तो उसी गली में वो आ गया है. थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ता है तो देखता है कि वहाँ पर एक पान वाला बैठा हुआ है. पान वाला जनरली वहाँ पर अपनी दुकान लगाता था गली में, तो वही बैठा हुआ पान लगा रहा है, पान की तैयारी कर रहा है सेल करने के लिए. ठीक है, वो देखता है पान वाला कि बशीर जो है जा रहे हैं, तो पान वाला उससे पूछता है कि "अरे बशीर उस्ताद, वेयर आर यू गोइंग?" कि अरे भैया बशीर उस्ताद, कहाँ जा रहे हो आप? क्या तुम्हारे स्कूल में गर्मियों की छुट्टियाँ नहीं हुई हैं क्या? तो बशीर आंसर करते हैं कि हाँ, गर्मी की छुट्टियाँ हुई हैं, पर मैं कहीं और जा रहा हूँ. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड टिल हियर. आगे बढ़ते हैं, लेट्स मूव ऑन. But tidily dropping his satchel at his feet. So I already told you that the bag was heavy and he was a small boy. He was a kid of just 7 years old. So he was just taking that bag, that heavy bag, and he was just we can say that he was just dropping it, and he was trying to take it away with him. Now Munilal asked him, "Alone? Are you going alone to the railway station?" Munilal scratched his chin. So he scratched his chin, thinking that this small kid of 7 years old he is going to the railway station alone. It was a strange thing, right? Are you by chance, are you by any chance running away from the home? Now Munilal start thinking that the small boy of 7-year-old, he is going to the railway station alone. So maybe he was running from his home. Maybe he was leaving his home. So he asked that boy, Munilal asked Bashir that are you by any chance running away from the home? Are you leaving your home? Yes, said Bashir bravely. Bashir start feeling that yes, I'm leaving my home. जैसे बच्चे कहते हैं नहीं, मैं घर छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ. तो क्योंकि मुन्नेलाल को डाउट हुआ है कि क्या ये बच्चा घर छोड़ के जा रहा है क्या, तो उससे पूछता है कि आर यू बाय एनी चांस रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम द होम, क्या तुम घर छोड़ के जा रहे हो? तो बशीर कहता है यस, वह बहुत ब्रेव अपने आप को फील कर रहा है और कहता है यस, आई एम लीविंग माई होम. Munilal glanced behind Bashir, gave a mysterious shake of his head, and then to Bashir's surprise said, "Good. Have a good trip." So Munilal was very shocked that this small boy is running away from the home. So he started looking here and there, and he started looking behind that boy Bashir. He started looking behind Bashir. He was he gave a mysterious shake. Mysterious means here we can see that a difficult to understand. Mysterious shake. He gave a mysterious shake of his head. He shake his head in a very confusing way, and then Bashir must be surprised, and he said, "Good. Have a good trip." So अभी तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि मुन्नेलाल को बहुत शॉक्ड भी होता है, तो वो बड़े टेंशन में आ रहा है, इधर उधर देख रहा है, बशीर के पीछे देख रहा है, फिर एक अजीब सी कंफ्यूजिंग टाइप की जो है सर हिलाता है, कंफ्यूजन में सर हिलाता है और कहता है ओके, हैव अ गुड ट्रिप, तो उसको सी ऑफ कर देता है. विद हिज हेड रीलिंग अ बिट, बशीर पिक्ड अप हिज सैचल. He would always thought Munnelal was his friend, but he seemed he didn't care either. Whistling to Chand, Bashir trudged on. So here what happens that Bashir always thought that Munnelal was his friend. He used to think that Munnelal is the person who is his friend. So he was very shocked that Munnelal see off him. He never tried to stop him, that don't run away from the home, it is not a good thing. He never tried to stop him, but he see off to him. Okay, goodbye, happy journey. So he felt very bad. The boy Bashir felt very bad. He thought that even Munnelal didn't care. तो उसको क्या लगता है, यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि जब ये इसको सी ऑफ कर देता है मुन्नेलाल, तो बशीर को क्या लगता है कि मैं हमेशा सोचता था कि ये मेरे दोस्त हैं, लेकिन असल में इनको भी मेरी कोई फिक्र नहीं है, इन्होंने मुझे एक भी बार रोका नहीं और मुझे सी ऑफ कर दिया. और बहुत शॉकिंग वे में ये क्या करता है, ये बच्चा जो बशीर है क्या करता है, अपने डॉगी चांद को जो है विसल कहते हैं, थोड़ा सीटी बजा के बुलाते हैं, तो विसल करके उसको बुलाता है और अपने जो बैग को किसी तरह खींचते हुए, ड्रैग करते हुए ये बहुत भारी कदमों से, बहुत दुखी मन से आगे बढ़ जाता है. ठीक. A few yards down the gully, outside her door, Banno Bibi sat pounding masala. As they were going past, Chand gave her a friendly look. So what happened? He moved on. The boy Bashir moved on, and after he moved on, he found there was a lady whose name was Banno Bibi. She was sitting there on outside her door. अपने दरवाजे के बाहर ही, outside her door, she was sitting, and what she was doing, she was pounding masalas. Pounding masalas मतलब मसाला पीसती हुई एक लेडी जिसका नाम बन्नो बीबी, वो अपने दरवाजे पे बैठी हुई है. As they were going past, Chand gave her a friendly bark. Because they were leaving home, they were going away, and these people are the people who are the neighbors of this boy Bashir ना. So Chand gave a friendly bark. जैसे डॉग होते हैं ना, वो किसी को देख के पहचान जाते हैं और भौंकने लगते हैं, पहचानने वाला एक bark होती है. तो वो बन्नो बीबी को पहचानता है चांद, तो he gave a friendly bark. तो वो friendly bark करता है बन्नो बीबी को देखकर. बन्नो बीबी looked up. जैसे डॉग की बार्क सुनाई पड़ती है तो बन्नो बीबी स्टार्ट लुकिंग अप. मसाला पीसने में व्यस्त थी, मतलब ऊपर देखती है. and with a big smile showing her pan-stained teeth, said Bashir Raja, "Where are you going?" As she looked up, she saw what she saw. She saw that this boy Bashir was passing through. Okay, so she smiled with her pan-stained teeth. स्टेन्ड मतलब होता है दाग, तो पान के दाग हैं इस बन्नो बीबी के दांतों पर, ठीक है. तो शी स्माइल्ड विद हर पान स्टेन्ड टीथ एंड आस्क्ड और एंड सेड, "Bashir Raja, where are you going?" He saw Bashir was carrying a satchel and along with him he is taking the chand away with him. So she asked him that, "Bashir Raja, where are you going?" कहाँ जा रहे हो बेटा, बशीर बेटा कहाँ जा रहे हो? "I have left home." तो बशीर क्या आंसर करता है? "I have left home." मैंने घर छोड़ दिया है. "Oh, but why बेटा?" अब क्योंकि इसने बोला कि मैंने घर छोड़ दिया है, तो बन्नो बीबी पूछती है, "ओह बट वाई?" क्यों, आखिर क्यों बेटा? तो बशीर क्या आंसर करता है? "Nobody cares." कोई भी मेरा केयर नहीं करता. Nobody cares for me. "They won't help me buy that racing car and I want the money as a loan anyway." So what he says that nobody cares for me, nobody understands me. They were not helping me to buy that car, they were not giving me the money, and I was asking the money as a loan anyways. So क्या कहता है वो? कहता है क्योंकि मेरे को कोई समझता नहीं, nobody understands me, nobody cares for me. और क्यों लोग मुझे नहीं समझते? Because they are not helping me to buy the car, buy the racing car. वो मुझे कार खरीदने में हेल्प नहीं कर रहे. And I want the money, क्योंकि मुझे पैसे चाहिए थे as a loan anyway. मैं कोई उनका पैसा थोड़ी मांग रहा था, मैं तो उनसे अपने ही पैसे का उधार मांग रहा था, फिर भी उन्होंने मेरी मदद नहीं करी. So you are running away. Quite right. So बन्नो बीबी was very shocked. अच्छा, सिर्फ इसलिए तुम जो घर से भाग रहे हो? तो बशीर कहता है, "Yes, right. I am running away." Banno Bibi looked thoughtfully down the gully behind Bashir and then, touching his cheeks with finger stained yellow from haldi, said, "Khuda Hafiz beta, have a good journey," and then she laughed. Now what Banno Bibi did? She started thinking thoughtfully that he's running away from the home, he's leaving his home. So she started thinking thoughtfully. She started looking here and there, and she saw behind the Bashir, and then she touched his cheek. Generally, we used to touch the cheeks of small children, na? So she touched his cheeks with her hands, in which there is some or the other haldi was there on her hands, and she laughed. And after laughing, what she said? "Khuda Hafiz, beta, have a good journey," and she laughed. तो अभी क्या होता है? बन्नो बीबी पहले तो विचार थॉटफुली सोचने लगती है, विचार में सोचने पे मजबूर हो जाती है. फिर क्या होता है? फिर वो इधर उधर देखती है, फिर वो बशीर के पीछे देखती है, फिर वो जो है प्यार से बशीर के गाल को ऐसे गाल पकड़ती है, चीक्स को, और उसके हाथ में ना मसाला पीस रही थी तो हल्दी लगा हुआ है, येलो येलो स्टेन हो जाते हैं उसके गाल पर, और वो ऐसे गाल पकड़ के उसका बोलती है कि "ओके, खुदा हाफिज बेटा, हैप्पी जर्नी." ठीक है, खुदा हाफिज, हैप्पी जर्नी, संभल के जाना. और हंसने लगती है. शी लाफ्ड. ठीक है. बशीर फेल्ट हिज हार्ट ब्रेक. नाउ as Bashir experienced that nobody cares, not Munne Lal cares, not even Banno Bibi cares, his family also don't cares that he is leaving home. So he felt a heartbroken. He felt so sad. His family, even his friends in the mohalla, didn't know that they were such a hard-hearted people. He thought that he was not knowing that his family as well as his friends of mohalla, they all are hard-hearted people. So होता क्या है बेसिकली यहाँ पर कि बशीर का दिल टूट जाता है, दुखी हो जाता है उसका दिल. क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी फैमिली और उसके फ्रेंड्स जो मोहल्ले के दोस्त हैं, वो सभी सारे के सारे जो है, उसको पता नहीं था कि वो इतने पत्थर दिल और कठोर लोग हैं. Here was a sad 7-year-old going away forever. तो वो क्या सोचता है? सोचता है कि here a sad 7-year boy going away forever. यहाँ एक छोटा सा दुखी 7 साल का बच्चा हमेशा के लिए जा रहा है. And all they said was खुदा हाफिज. तो क्या सोच रहा है? सोच रहा है कि कितने पत्थर दिल लोग हैं ये. यहाँ एक छोटा सा बच्चा घर छोड़ के जा रहा है हमेशा के लिए, और उन्होंने मुझे समझाया नहीं, रोका नहीं. एंड ऑल व्हाट दे सेड इज खुदा हाफिज. वो मुझे सी ऑफ कर रहे हैं, रोक नहीं रहे हैं. Suppose he got lost. Suppose he was kidnapped by robbers, or someone stole his bag and left him to starve. अब देखो ये क्या कह रहा है? कह रहा है सोचो, ये 7 साल के बच्चे के साथ कुछ बुरा भी तो हो सकता है. ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि वो जो है कहीं खो जाए. अपने लिए ही सोच रहा है, अपने लिए सोच रहा है कि मैं 7 साल का बच्चा हूँ, कोई मुझे रोक नहीं रहा है. सोचो कहीं मैं खो गया तो, किसी ने मुझे किडनैप कर लिया तो, सोचो किसी ने मेरा सामान चुरा दिया और मुझे मुझे भूखा मरने के लिए छोड़ दिया तो. किसी ने मुझे ये सब बातें नहीं समझाई. इनफैक्ट nobody cares and everyone is saying खुदा हाफिज, गुड बाय, हैप्पी जर्नी एंड टेक केयर. व्हाट इज दिस? तो उसको बहुत बुरा फील हो रहा है. ही इज फीलिंग सो बैड दैट कि नो, नॉट इवन हिज फैमिली, not even his friends, nobody cares for him. Okay, so I hope you must have understand till here. We'll continue the chapter in the next session. For today this is enough. So learn the word meanings. It will be a homework. I'll ask you whenever I meet you, and I can ask you on this platform also. So be ready for that. Okay, so learn all the word meanings by heart. And for today, this will be this is enough for today. So thank you so much. Stay at home, stay connected, and please, Vita, stay safe. God bless you.